In today's video, I'm actually be showing you the best money making applications that you can earn passive income with your mobile device. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money passively on your phone. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So before we get started with today's video, I want to show you payment proof right now on an application that I'm about to show you that is 100% passive and paying out, guys. Just got through getting today. As you can see right here, guys, it's 21 euros. So as you can see, guys, right here, my balance is already at $1.50 and I just got through getting paid out this morning. So I'm already at almost $2 with this one application. I have sent a total of 49 SMS messages, which is pretty much text messages, and this is the application that I am making a killing on, and so are other YouTubers, guys. So if you are interested in actually getting started with this application, and let me mind you, this is a worldwide method, so you will need an international service on your phone plan. So I'm going to leave the link to this application down in the comment section or in the description of this video. As you can see, you can send up to 1,500 sims per month or 50 sims per day, guys. So it's totally up to you. So once you actually mess with these settings right here, all you got to do is just click on start where it says stop right here on this account, and you can start accumulating some money passively. So I'm going to show you a cool bot that you can get set up right now in today's video, guys. So I'm about to walk you through these steps, but before that, I want to show you some balance on here real quick. Look what happens whenever I click on the balance button. As you can see, it says available right there, 33 or 0.003344 Litecoin right there, guys. And I'm going to show you how you can actually make this passive. This is on Telegram, so I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video because there are multiple Telegram channels that you can actually make money with, just like this one. So let me just show you on this account and how you can actually set it up on Litecoin Click bots. So again, guys, I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video so you can get started right away. So let me walk you through the steps on how you can get this bot set up, but first let me show you how this application works. So once you actually sign up under the link down in the description of this video, you're gonna come and get led to a page just like this where it says welcome to LTC Clickbot right here. And then once we see this section of this page or this bot, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here to where it says visit sites. Once you click on visit sites, it's going to show you, tell you to come over here to where it says go to sites. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the site, you're going to click on open. Once you click on open, you can see this tab that shows up. This is the site that I wanted you to click on. So in a minute, I'm going to get a notification on my phone itself to tell me that I have received the Litecoin for just coming to this site alone. Go. So as you can see, I just got through receiving these notification on my phone right here, guys. So if we scroll down real quick on my phone, you can see that I've just got the notification. So now what we're going to do next is we're going to go back, and then we're going to get the points right away onto our account, guys. So now what you got to do, as you can see right here, says please stay on the site for at least 10 seconds. You have earned 0.0001338 Litecoin for visiting this site. Now it shows you the next site that you can visit. So now we have to repeat this process. So I'm about to show you an application that's going to help you do this right now. So we're going to be using this application right here called ClickMate to automate this actual service. So what I'm going to do is click on the record mode right here that was in the middle of the screen. So once this page shows up like this, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the Telegram bot. So once we are back at the Telegram bot, you're just going to make sure you can see this actual tab right here that's floating around on my screen. And then what we're going to do is click on record. So now we have 30 seconds to actually do this method. So what we're going to do is go to site. And then once we click on go to site, we're going to click on open 2 times, and then once we click on open, we're gonna let this actual website load up. And as soon as we get that notification on our phone where it says wait 1 minute or wait 50 seconds or whatever the limit's gonna be, so now since we got that notification on our phone, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here and click on this right here, guys. We're gonna click on this little arrow right here at the top right hand corner of this menu screen. So we're gonna click on that twice, so once, and then do it one more time just to make sure. Now what we're going to do next, and make sure this is important, guys, you're going to scroll up again on your phone twice, so make sure you got the newest settings on this actual phone, and then you're going to repeat this process. So click on go to site one more time. So we're going to click on it twice, we're going to click on open. So now since we're back at the actual go. So now we're back at this screen again. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on these 3 little lines. We're gonna click on options and save load. We're gonna click on save as, and we can save this as, let's do LTC Telegram or whatever you want to put. You can do LTC Telegram bot, or I'll just do LTC Tel, and then click on save. Now an important step is actually coming over here where it says repeat counts. We're gonna click on that. We're gonna click on 0. We're gonna type in 0 where it says infinity, and then we're gonna click on set. And now the next one is just clicking on save. So now since that settings is saved on this actual account, we're gonna go back to the Telegram bot, and all you gotta do is just click on play. So now it's going to run through all of these steps that we have recorded on this actual Telegram bot itself, and in a couple of seconds it should be clicking on go to site or go to website on its own, and just running through the whole system 100% passive, and you can just start accumulating some money through this actual system all on its own. There is other methods that you can actually use with this. So we just got through talking about the LTC bot. Now this one's going to be the BTC click bot. So I'm going to leave all the links down in the description of all the bots that this works with, so you can go over there as quickly as possible to get started right away. So this is going to be the next money making application that I'm going to show you how to make it 100% passive. So we're going to be using the same method that I just showed you previously with the ClickMates application. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on record. We're going to click on where it says go twice. So there's one more time just in case. And then once we click on it once, it's going to show up a screen just like this. Now you have to click on OK. So we're going to click on OK once and let it spin on its own. So now it's going to show us an ad. So now we just got to wait a couple of seconds. I would wait at least 30 seconds just in case there's another app that's going to pop up after this. So I'm just going to keep on waiting, guys. And for this little screen to be finished at the bottom of the app right here. So once it's finished, now I'm going to click on the back button on this actual tab itself. So we're going to click on the back button on this tab right here. So now since it's finished, guys, we're going to click on back once, click on back twice just in case, and I'll do it just one more time to be on the safe side. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the red square. Now since we clicked on the red square, we're going to click on the 3 lines, and then we're going to come over here to the same page. We're going to actually click where it says repeat counts. We're going to type in 0 for infinity. So now since we typed in 0, we can come over here where it says unnamed or unsaved name, and then right underneath it says save as. So click on save as and then type in be fast, be free. Go. So now since we typed in be fast, be free, we're going to click on save right there, and then now it's saved it, guys. So we're going to go back to the application. Now all we got to do all we got to do is just click on the play button. So now it's going to, in a couple of seconds, it's going to run through the whole process on its own, 100% passive, guys. And there's 2 applications that this works with. Like, it's going to click on OK in a minute. So once it clicks on OK, the advertisement's going to show up, and then as soon as the advertisement shows up, as you can see, it's spinning all on its own, 100% passive. So once it's finished, now there's the ad. So as you can see, we have to wait 30 seconds now. That's why I wanted to wait a little bit more than what the other ad showed, because the other one was a tad bit quicker. So now this is going to work 100% passive. Go. So as you can see, it just got through back outing of the ad on its own, and it's going to restart the process in a couple of seconds, guys. I want to show you Honeygain really quick, guys. For those of you that do not know what Honeygain is, this is a free platform that you can install on your Android device, your Mac OS application, and your Windows, so your desktop, guys. And you can start making some money right away, guys. And this is 100% passive, and you're gonna get a free $5 sign up bonus if you click on the link down in the comment section of this video. As you can see right now, guys, I'm already at $4.47, and just today, which actually is not true, which is 1 cent, I've actually pretty much got more than that, but my time is kind of off from this chart. It goes like in the midday, so around 12 o'clock this is gonna start my new day. So yesterday I believe I got around 10 to 20 cents for for doing absolutely nothing, guys, and it's 100% passive. So if you sign up and click on the link down in the comment section of this video, you're gonna get a free $5 bonus for just clicking on that link, guys. So make sure you come over here, make sure you get started right away with Honeygain. So I just got through showing you different money making applications that you can make 100% passive with doing little to no work at all, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.